I was just casually scrolling through TikTok when something wild caught my eye. This account called Sticky the Great. The guy was pulling millions of views and all for recreating viral stand-up comedy clips. At first, I thought he was some creative genius doing it solo, but then I realized there are tons of creators doing the exact same thing. And the crazy part? It's unbelievably easy. You can make these videos using your phone or computer. It costs absolutely nothing, and people are gaining thousands of followers overnight. So I thought, why not break this down step by step and show you exactly how to do it yourself using 100% free tools. No hidden fees, no secrets, just pure creativity and unlimited uploads. You can make as many as you want until you literally get tired of going viral. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to Reach Mora and smash that like button so you don't miss the next tutorial that'll take your content game to the next level. Ready? All right, let's dive in. Finding the perfect stand-up clip. First things first, open TikTok. Head to the search bar and type stand-up comedy videos. You'll instantly see a bunch of clips pop up. Some hilarious, some awkward, and some absolutely blowing up. Here's what you're looking for. Find one that's pulling strong engagement, high likes, tons of comments, and people clearly enjoying it. That's your golden ticket. Once you find that perfect clip, copy the link. Don't overthink it. If it's funny and people are reacting, it works. Now let's move on to step 2, extracting the audio like a pro. Go to Google and type TikTok video downloader. You'll see a ton of options, but pick the one that shows up right at the top. It's reliable and super simple. Click on it, paste your TikTok link into the box, and hit download. Now here's the important part. When you see the download options, choose download MP3. We only need the voice, not the video. The reason? We're going to create our own animated comedian. And trust me, it's going to look incredible. All right, once your MP3 is ready, keep it safe. We'll need it in a minute. Now let's go create our character, creating your animated comedian. Now this is where the fun begins. Google Adobe Express animation. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and sign up. It's free and you'll want to use this tool a lot. Once you're in, scroll down until you find that animation feature. You'll see a feature called Create an Animated Character. Click it. Suddenly, you'll see all these cartoon-style characters. You might even recognize some of them from social media because, yeah, everyone uses this tool. For this tutorial, we're going with the sticky guy. He's already got that comedian vibe. Resize him, center him on the screen, and now he's ready to hit the stage. But wait, every good comedian needs a proper stage, right? So let's build one. Designing the comedy stage with AI, click on the background tab in Adobe Express. You'll see tons of presets, from solid colors to fun templates. But we want something special, a comedy club vibe, so we're going to upload our own background. To make that, go to Gemini Nano Banana. It's a free AI image generator. Click the Tools tab, then select Create Images. You can generate about 40 images per day for free, which is more than enough. Now here's the magic. Use this prompt to generate a minimalist cartoon of a stage with a red brick background. In a few seconds, boom, the AI gives you a perfect comedy stage. If you want to personalize it even more, ask it to add your logo on the wall or anywhere in the image. I did that and it turned out perfect. Download your new background, go back to Adobe Express, and upload it as your scene backdrop. Resize Sticky, place him right on that stage, and now he's officially ready to perform. But before he starts talking, let's make sure the project size fits your platform. Click the Size tab and select your preferred format. Square for Instagram, vertical for TikTok or Shorts, and widescreen for YouTube. Bringing your comedian to life. In Adobe Express, hit the Browse and upload your MP3. That's the stand-up voice we downloaded earlier. Give it a second, and then watch this. Your cartoon comedian comes to life. The sticky guy starts talking, perfectly synced with the audio. Once the animation looks smooth, click Download Video. But let's not stop there. Let's make it look next level with one small detail. Every stand-up comedian needs a mic, right? So let's add one. Open Google again and type cartoon microphone with stand. Scroll through the images and find one that matches your stage aesthetic. I picked a clean minimal mic that fits perfectly with the scene. Save that image. We're about to use it in CapCut. Now open CapCut and start a new project. Import both your animated video and the mic image. Drag the video onto the timeline, then place the mic image above it. Click Remove BG, that's background removal, and select Auto Removal. Once it's clean, resize the mic and position it in front of Sticky. It instantly makes the whole setup look 10 times more professional. And now, the final step, Captions. Inside CapCut, look for the Captions tab. Click Auto Captions and let the app generate them automatically. Adjust the position so they're not covering your character's face, and then pick a template style that matches your tone. Bold, clean, and easy to read. Once everything looks perfect, go ahead and export the video in high quality. And that's it. Your animated comedy short is done. Post it on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, everywhere. You don't need to spend a single dollar, just creativity, consistency, and a sense of humor. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to Reach Mora, drop a like, and share this with someone who loves to laugh. I'll see you in the next one, where we'll go even bigger.